If you listen close to this, you'll find that there's a lot of blues that you're listening to today. Some guy snatched out some tunes from this one, and some beats and some, whatsoever you call them, other things that belong to it, that makes music. I don't know what that is. But he got some from this thing here and made it, yeah. Then they started rocking, and finally they started rolling, and finally they got them all together, you know. The title of them is now Rock and Roll. This has got a little bit to it. Now, well, they improved it a whole lot from this. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train don't carry no gamblers. This train don't carry no gamblers. No midnight ramblers. This train bound for glory now. This train is bound for glory, boy. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Nobody rides but the righteous and the holy. This train bound for glory now. This train don't carry no liars. This train don't carry no liars. This train don't carry no liars, no hypocrites, no bar flyers. This train bound for glory now. This train is going on a journey, boy. This train is going on a journey. This train is going on a journey. Why, it takes you there, no returning. This train bound for glory now. This train, you don't pay no transportation on this train. This train, you don't pay no transportation on this train. This train, you don't pay no transportation. There's no Jim Crow and no discrimination on this train. Bound for glory now, this train don't carry white or black on this train. This train don't carry white or black on this train. This train don't carry white or black. Everybody ride it and treat it just alike on this train. Bound for glory now, this train is bound for glory, boy. This train is bound for glory. This train is bound for glory. Nobody rides but the righteous and the holy. This train bound for glory now. This train is bound for glory, boy. This train is bound for glory now. This train